Hi, welcome to the store. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison for noise on these two power supplies. This is a 450 watt AGS power supply. This is a 650 watt Logis power supply, both in the ATX configuration. The purpose is to demonstrate how you can get sometimes less standby noise. See if the camera will pick up this fan with this power supply with the fans running. Okay, we're going to turn that off and turn the Logis on. That's off. And this is running. Okay, try this again. Right. This is the 450. And now this is the 650. So relative to the mic in this camera, that's the difference. Now, the reason this is different, number one, you can see that the fans are much different in size. This is 18 millimeter and this is 140 millimeter, almost half the size. So the fan has to run at least 3 times as fast to put out the same amount of flow. And this fan, since it is small, there's 2 in this power supply to keep it cool. The approach Logis takes is a larger case, but this fan is like a ceiling fan in the chamber, in the case. So it's allowed to give the same amount of flow. It really runs about 1/3 of the speed, and fan noise is all about speed. Thanks for visiting the store. Come on back.